Waterways are important for our environment, economy, and overall livelihood and well-being. Waterways also provide important habitat for many animals and plants. Key components of the process used to protect our waterways are known as gross pollutant traps, or GPTs. Modern urbanised environments such as this one are subjected to careless littering and runoff on a grand scale. Images like these are a stark reminder of the potential damage to the environment that could occur without intervention. Imagine the adverse impact to ecosystems and ultimately the ongoing effect to social amenity. The EcoSol GPT by Urban Asset Solutions is designed to retain a high percentage of these pollutants, thereby preventing them from entering our creeks, rivers and oceans. The cleaning process is carried out from the surface and therefore doesn't require confined space entry. A combination vacuum truck is the ideal plant equipment used for this task and is often utilised by councils and contractors responsible for carrying out the procedure. The 6-inch suction line removes the retained pollutants with ease, while at the same time protecting the safety of the operator. Following the efficient removal of gross litter, sediment and vegetation, it is essential to clean behind the filtration screens. This is made possible with the vehicle's high-pressure water and a bottle bomb attachment or directional nozzle. A comprehensive clean of this nature will prolong service intervals and keep the device in optimal condition for operation. The EcoSol GPT is a modular, pre-cast concrete design. The internal filtration system is constructed of stainless steel and has no moving parts. Contributing to the circular economy and alleviating our reliance upon disposal to landfill, pollutants removed from the GPT can now be transported to an approved resource recovery facility. Facilities like this one can separate pollutants such as plastics, PET and HDPE, where as much as 90% can be recycled. Organic matter is also recycled for turf underlay and other similar soil surface applications. The EcoSol GPT and other products are commonly utilised for pre-treatment of stormwater flows for downstream basins, wetlands and biofiltration. We all have a role to play in protecting our waterways. What's yours?